Hi everyone, welcome to the Tinkercad Academy. In this video, we are building our very first electronic circuit using Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a free, beginner-friendly website where you can create circuits, code with Arduino, and design 3D models all online. Once you are logged in, click on Circuits, then click Create New Circuits. Let's get started. We are going to light up an LED using a battery and a resistor. Here what we need: a breadboard, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, a battery, some wires. First place your LED on the breadboard. The longer leg is the positive one. Then connect the positive leg to the one side of the resistor. Now connect the other side of the resistor to the positive terminal of the battery. Next, connect the negative leg of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. All set. Click on Start Simulation. And there you go. Your LED is growing. The resistor slows down the current to protect the LED from too much electricity. It's a small but important part of the circuit. Now it's your turn. Add more LEDs, try a button, or even use a buzzer. Tinkercad makes experimenting safe and fun. Thanks for watching and keep on tinkering. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.